I got it. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Mama, 1, 2, 3, go.
Wow. Ang laman ng dumpster. Sus. Ano ba to? Mga toys. Garbage bag. Uy. May sapatos. Hindi ko alam kung may partner din. Basag ata yung iba. Clothes. Mga damit to ha. Mga toys. Shampoo. Tapo na. Wala pa naman akong ladder. Hindi ko dala yung ladder ko. Uy. Ang ganda. Wala yung ladder ko dito. Daming damit oh. Uy. Dami. Sus. Sarado na itong tindahan na ito. Pa-close na sila. Kaya dami nilang tapon. Nagharbat na ako kahit naka-uniform pa. Dahil alam kong may pupunta dito. Unahan na natin sila. Dami naman. May nakabox dito. Hindi ko makuha yung nakabox. Abutin ko lang muna itong mga naabot ko. Wow. Grabe oh. Sandals. Dito natin ilagay. Mga laruan to ng aso. Dami. Sabon pa. Kailangan kong may apakan. Wala tayong apakan. Wala yung ladder ko dito eh. Try ko itong kunin. Ang bigat. Hindi ko siya kaya. Ba't kasi mabit wala kang apakan? Ay. Ay. Sus ko. Ah. Paglalaglag ko na lang. Dito ko siya banda. Para na isushoot ko siya. Ayan. kaya itong nakabox. Ay. Usap ko muna dito para maabot ko. Okay. Alright. Sus, kadami. May nakaano pa doon sa may shampoo. Hulog natin. Yan. Uy, ayun mo, may pantin. Pasukin ko siya. Bahala na kung masira yung shampoo. Daming damit. Dami. May nakabox dito. Nakabox ulit ng pananglaman. Okay. Labas muna ako. Hindi na siya kasya. Okay. Meron pa ata sa ilalim. Hindi ko lang makita. Hindi ko makita sa ilalim. May mga shampoo pa. Okay, let's go.
Bathroom.
Hello, ma'am. How are you doing?
Hi, I found constipation.
Look at this.
Medicine. For constipation.
Did you check on the box right there?
Yeah, it's got some
Like
You need
aircon?
to get at the BJ.
You go inside.
you know, he got stuff to do. No, she do. She constipated.
Pasukin natin.
It's got some kind of big thing in it.
Yeah. We need that one truck. I don't know who's that.
I don't know. I never seen him before.
I see some couple sunglasses here. Here you go.
Oh yeah, you can sell them.
But my glove is too small.
Cat toy, my best.
Cat toys, yeah. Grab all the cat toys.
Where you want me to put the stuff for you?
We just right here.
Okay.
Maybe he said, shit.
Yeah, well, he was coming over here.
For real.
Yeah, but then he seen us. I came back to this side to keep it, make sure he didn't come back. Cat toy? Oh,
My trunk is full of that.
cat toy?
Everything, yeah. I told you I'm gonna grab it because somebody come over here.
I
Oh, wow.
So just me and Skylar here.
Right.
Because she said she's on the way.
was on the way. My boyfriend slammed his finger in the car door.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you. He snapped his finger.
Oh.
So that's what took long. Okay.
I found some couple piece shampoo too.
Shampoo.
Yes, shampoo like Pantene, Head and Shoulder. Do you smell something? This is the shampoo I got it.
Oh, really?
It's still in my trunk.
How you find all this?
And it still got more. Just hide it.
That's a lie.
Found the damn jackpot. Beth already hit the jackpot.
That was a lot, man.
Yeah, I said, well, I'm go now because before everybody come over here. Push up.
My bad. I find lots on this side. I put more in the trash.
All is a hanger.
All right, all these hangers.
But this one that's upright with.
A lot of cat toys here.
I was gonna say you could have passed through.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
Oh, that's it. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's cute bag. Cute bag.
We get everything. Because you know, Bargain Hunt is close.
Right.
Yeah, and then you do yard sale, you sell it.
Oh, I don't know if this one is worth or what.
I don't know, but we can take it.
Everything is there. Wala nang gloves. I don't have gloves.
You should have kept these.
No, it's okay. This is not dirt anyway.
Right, at least it's not wet. Me and my Beth dumped it out and it was wet one night.
Right.
Remember that night we went out every room?
Yeah, this time it's not wet, so it's okay.
Yeah, because you got hand sanitizer too.
Right.
Oh,
I tried to remove this.
yeah, I'm gonna take it too. Wait.
Just, I think just right here. It's okay.
That's right.
Yeah.
Huh? I don't know what it is, but it's
Oh, shit. My goodness, the honey. Here you go.
Oh, socks.
Let's get it. That's good.
Put this to the her trunk, Maja.
Here you go.
Put this in my best trunk. And that box, because it's full. Here.
My trunk is no space.
Oh, your trunk is full, huh?
Yeah.
Put it in the back seat.
Uy, rag. Yan this. Rag.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
I would need these.
I don't think so. I don't know what is that.
Ponytail holder. There go more socks right there, look like. Oh, maybe just one.
Oh, it's wet.
Oh.
Ew. Nope, you can get nothing here.
He can come, but it ain't gonna be no liquid.
Right.
Everything is gone. Here you go, Candice. Uy, silga, toys. Yeah.
Another box.
The hairbrush. I don't know what's that.
No, that's like, I don't know.
I think that's it.
That's it?
Yeah, I think everything, we get it, everything. You need this?
This was in the dumpster too.
For real? You need this?
You want that?
You need this?
You might just sell them though here.
Yeah.
$1, they'll take them.
I know, right? Even 50
So
cents.
this
I
got
might
the
be
tag
the one
on
that buy
there.
him.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, sorry.
Dollar for 2.
I might buy.
Okay. Nice. Let's go.
I go on the other side and throw this back in.
I got it. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow! Tingnan nyo yan. So, ito yung mga dog toys na nakuha natin mga ka-subscribers. Ayan po. Nilagay ko dyan sa box. Sa balikbayan box. Kasi wala akong mapaglagyan. Sobrang dami. At yan po nga at ating yard sale. Dahil sobrang dami, gawin nating pera. O, diba? Galing no? Morning! Kamusta sa? Tingnan nyo to, mga damit. Yung iba na ilagay ko na sa parcel. Ayan o, ang gaganda. Pang dalaginding. Oh, mga bago po yan, brand new. Kasama ito doon sa mga nakuha nating mga dog toys. Ayan, oh, may mga tag. Tinapon po ito kasi pasarado na po yung tindahan. Kaya kahit yung mga design niya panlamig, wala na silang choice dahil closing store na po. Ayan, oh. Magamit man to dyan sa Pilipinas, sa Christmas, sa Pasko. Kasi di ba kapag Pasko, yun lang yung taglamig. Ayan, dalawang ganito, parehas yung design. Pa-flowers. Tapos meron akong pants. Ayan, pambata. Pantulog. Tapos meron malaking t-shirt. T-shirt ba o blouse? Basta t-shirt, Adidas. Ganda-ganda pa ng brand, no? O, another pants. Maliit man to kay Enzo, kaya hindi ko man yan bigay kay Enzo. Ilagay ko po yan sa parcel. Kayo na bahala kung mailagay ko sa inyo, tapos hindi pala magkasya sa anak nyo. Ibigay nyo po sa pamangkin o sa kapitbahay. Ito din, no? Ang ganda. Parang parang hindi to pang Pelalin Bahasan, parang maliit pa sa kanya. Naliliitan niya kay Pelalin Bahasan. Parang pang sino yung isa? Malus Insyane. Kaya lang ang init-init niyan. Pero maganda yun kay Miss Malus Insyane kasi nagtitinda siya sa gabi. O kapag umuulan yung panahon. Pero kapag umuulan naman mabit, syempre hindi magtitinda yun. O bahala ka nga, Miss Malus Insyane, kung saan mo gagamitin kasi mainit yung nito, yung tela, tapos pa siya, turtleneck. Ayan, no, may pa turtleneck pa. Kaya kailangan talaga malamig, umuulan, ganun. Pang madaling araw, pag mamamalengke. Tapos meron akong dalawang ganito, pang baby. Maganda to, pang Christmas. Pero maliit lang siya. Sino ba dyan ang juntis? O, juntis ngayon, tapos manganganak pa lang. Tamang-tama sa Pasko. Panlalaki. Dalawa yung ganito ko. Pang Christmas kasi yung design. Tapos merong skirt. O, diba? Yung tipong nasa bahay ka lang. Ganda-ganda, oh. Tapos may mga nakuha din akong medyas. Pero naibigay ko na yung tatlong pair. Ayan, medyas. Tapos may kasama din tong boxer short. Na ilagay ko na rin sa parcel. O, diba? Ganda-ganda ng harbat natin. Sinusulit ko kasi pasarado na po ang tindahan. Sa ngayong araw na to, habang ako'y nagbibideo, ang alam ko, 3 araw na lang sila. Last 3 days. Sana makapagharbat pa ako. At ito yung shampoo na nakuha natin. Ayan po, oh. Men Head & Shoulder. Tapos may panghugas sa plato. At meron pa akong Pantene. Asa na ba yun? Wait lang, hanapin ko. Ayan, ito yung shampoo natin at conditioner na nakuha. O, diba? Galing-galing. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. So, don't forget to like and share and good vibes comment. Ang ganda-ganda na ng aking lalagyan. Naka-arrange talaga. Tinatago ko talaga yung shampoo at makita yan ni Nelsie Lamag. Don't forget to subscribe. Salamat!